If your trumpet tone sounds thin, tight, or inconsistent, even when you're doing everything else right, the problem might not be your embouchure or your air. It could just be your posture. And it's not just slouching. There's one specific posture mistake that quietly kills tone, endurance, and control. Let's fix it. That posture mistake is collapsing the chest and shoulders forward while playing. This usually happens when you lean into the horn, your shoulders will roll forward, and your upper body collapses slightly. Nothing feels wrong, but everything works just a little bit worse. Now listen to this sound. It's a little bit thinner, restricted, or harder than it should be. Now watch this. Did you hear how it was a lot more resonant and full sounding after I fixed my posture? When you collapse forward, 3 bad things are happening at once. Your lungs can't fully expand, and your air has to fight your body on the way out. Your throat and chest tighten without you realizing it. You're basically trying to blow air through a bent hose, and that's why the tone feels stuffy, harder notes feel higher, or higher notes feel harder, and you get tired fast. It's not a lack of air, it's just blocked air. Now let's do a comparison. Alright, so now, same phrase, but with a more open and relaxed posture. Right, so that was the same embouchure, same horn, and same player. Completely different sound. That's the posture doing the work. Here's what good trumpet posture actually is. It's not stiff, it's not military, it's balanced and open. So here's a checklist for you. You got your feet flat on the ground. Sit half on the chair and sit on the front half of the chair. Your spine is tall but relaxed, and the shoulders are down and wide, not pulled back, and not rolled forward. The chest is comfortably open. Think tall but loose. Now, add the horn. I'm not leaning into it. If the trumpet comes to your face, not the other way around. If you have to lean to reach the mouthpiece, your setup is already off. Here's a quick posture test. Sit or stand tall, take a relaxed breath, and play one long note. Now, without changing anything else, collapse forward slightly and play again. You'll hear it immediately. That difference is why posture matters even before you touch the mouthpiece. Good posture doesn't magically make you better. It just gets out of the way. It lets the air move more freely, the embouchure stay relaxed, and the sound resonate fully. Tone improves because your body stops fighting itself. If your sound feels tight, don't force it. Check your posture first. Open the chest, relax the shoulders, and bring the horn to you. Fix that, and all of the tone problems solve themselves.